Hi guys, this is Bhupinder2. Welcome to my channel. Today I want to talk about Canon batteries and how you can buy the replacement battery for your Canon or a spare one. As I do a lot of YouTube videos, and when you're doing videos and filming, the battery drains much quicker than when you're just doing photos, because video takes more power and it's for a longer time that your camera is on as compared to just taking photos. So for that purpose, I find it very important to have a spare battery, so that when I'm in the middle of a video, I will be able to just swap the battery and still be able to continue my filming. The specification of this battery is that it's 7.2 volts. Its dimension is also important. It's 48 millimeters by 32 millimeters by 12 millimeters. The size needs to match. So if you select the specification of your camera, okay, then you could go to the power, and then here it tells you the type of battery it uses. It gives you one rechargeable lithium ion battery, LP-E17. So in the market there are lots of LP-E17 batteries that you can buy, and it can be a bit confusing. Okay, if you want to buy the original battery, the Canon original battery, you could go to the Canon website, and it costs you around £45, which should be around $50. Okay, and you have to pay attention to how much milliamp hour it got. It's 1040, yes. But if I go to Duracell, also says that they sell Canon LP-E17 battery. But if you look at their specification, okay, voltage works, but if you look at their capacity is a bit lower, not much lower, but a bit lower, 950 milliamp hour. So it puts a bit of a doubt, and again, it's much cheaper. It's almost half the price from Duracell as compared to Canon's website itself. Free delivery, and if you go to Amazon, you could also buy for the same price as the Canon's website. But again, this is why it's unknown, like the seller is unknown. That a bit doesn't sound good, is it? Anyway, so but another alternative option for your battery replacement would be to go to eBay. If you go to eBay and type in the battery specification, you could see lots of batteries out there that claim to be as good as the Canon. You could even find here Canon battery, and they claim to be original or brand new, not that far away from the £45, which is $50. But if you scroll down, you will see something here which says original battery, and if you go to that page, it's again, it got another bad review. Not a lot of review, but it's not a bad review, 5-star. It's £25, which should be around $30, but just gives you a comparison between different battery costs. And the difference between this and the other one is that this is shipped from China or Hong Kong, and it is around £2 for shipping or postage. So I'm a bit confused with which one I'm gonna go, but I'm not really in a rush to get my battery, so I think I'm gonna go with this one because it's much cheaper and it claims to be original. Hopefully it is original, but I could guess that it's probably original because it's cheaper just because it's been shipped from China, which probably is cheaper if you buy this kind of stuff there. Also, one main feature of this battery is that this is a low release battery. That means that once you charge it to the full power, it takes very long time for its power to dissipate while it's sitting idle. So you don't have to be worried that you need to keep charging it every, I don't know, couple of weeks. Once you charge, you can just keep it on your shelf and it can be used later on without losing much of its energy. Please let me know in the comments below whether you have gone with the eBay choice or you went with the original choice, whether you went and bought from Amazon or from Canon's website itself. And if you made your choice, please let me know the reason behind your choice and the argument you have for going one of these different options, because it's mind-blowing, guys. It's mind-blowing out there with so many different options, with so many different cost variation. So if you could help me as well and other viewers on YouTube and those who use this kind of camera day in and day out and need a spare battery, please put that in the comments below. And any suggestion how I can further improve my video, also put that in the comments below. And I hope I will see you in my next video. Bye bye. Ciao.